So today we are going to discuss about the life cycle of Pinus. So here you can see the sporophytic body which contain a branch is shown here of the tree which contain the male cone and the female cone here, and we can see that from the male, that is the pollen cone or the male cone, they make microspore enzyme consist of the microspore here, and the microspores are then transported in the megaspore where the pollen grains reaches the megaspore and it gets fused there. Here the one of the with the egg inside, which is inside the archegonium, one of it get fused with it and with the help of pollen tube. And after the pollination in the first year, there is a long, that is with around 15 months, it delays the real um, delivers the actual male gametes to the egg, resulting in the diploid zygote, and eventually it gets torn into the seeds and it is winged and it comes with again the seedling stage and the sporophyte body. In detail, if we talk, it is a diplohaploidic process which is characterized by the heteromorphic alternation of generation, where we define the heteromorphic alternation of generation as a typical life cycle where the diploid sporophyte and the haploid gametophyte are morphologically or physiologically distinct from one another, where the dominant woody tree represents the diploid sporophyte, that is with the 2n phase, and this heterosporous plant produces male cones that release winged dispersed pollen grains, that is the microspores, and the female cones containing the ovules with a protective integument and a central nucellus, and inside the ovule, a megaspore mother cell undergoes meiosis to produce a functional haploid megaspore which develops into a reduced female gametophyte bearing the archegonia, and after the pollination occurs in the first year, around 15 months, it delays, which is followed before a pollen tube delivers a male gamete to the egg, resulting in a diploid